Good morning, mathematicians. My name is Mrs. Allison, and I am a kindergarten teacher. I am so glad you're here with me today. We are going to explore some math problems. If you joined Miss Colleen last week, you know that you all worked on adding and subtracting within 10. We're going to be doing some more of that today, and I'm going to show you how you can use some toys and things that you might have at home to make this learning fun. Let's go ahead and look at our learning target for today. I'm going to read through this 2 times. The first time, I'm not going to stop. I can represent and solve addition and subtraction story problems using objects, drawings, mental images, or equations. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to read through that again, but I'm going to say it in short sections, and I want you to repeat after me. I can represent and solve addition and subtraction story problems using objects, drawings, mental images, or equations. All right, friends, we will come back to that a few times throughout our lesson to see if we are meeting our learning target. Before we move into our story problems, we're going to get our brains warmed up by looking at some pictures. I'm going to show you some pictures, and I want you to show me or tell me what you see and how you see it. Some of these pictures are going to represent addition story problems. And when I think about addition, I think about the plus sign. I can make a plus sign with my hands like this. A part plus a part equals a whole. Some of these pictures are going to represent subtraction. For subtraction, I use a minus sign as my symbol, and I can make that with my hands also. When we subtract something, part of it goes away. Let's look at our first picture. What do you see? How do you see it? I see 4 owls on the left and 3 owls on the right. In my mind, I know that that is 7 owls all together. If I were to write an equation to match the picture, it would look like this. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's look at another one together. What do you see this time? How do you see it? This picture's a little different. I see a group of eggs. The group of eggs has 5, but I notice that 2 of them are broken and 3 are still left whole. Is that addition or subtraction? I think that one is a subtraction picture. If I was to write an equation, it would look like this. 5 minus 2 equals 3, because 2 of them are broken. You're doing a great job so far. What does this picture show? I see a lot of flowers on this screen. I see 5 on the left and 5 on the right. This picture represents a doubles problem. Here's my equation to match. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I have one more picture for you to look at, boys and girls. What do you see this time? And what is happening? I see a group of 6 apples, but one of them has a bite taken out of it. I think that means we're going to subtract because one is going away or changing. Here's my equation. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Okay, mathematicians, give your brain a kiss. I think it is nice and warmed up. You got it. Now we're going to work on solving some math story problems, and we're going to use some toys to do that. Let's look and see what our first story problem is. 7 cars are driving on the road. 2 cars park. How many cars are left driving? You might have noticed that the words "are left" are highlighted in yellow. Those words give me a clue to what I'm going to need to do with this story problem. All right, I'm going to get out my toys. Those are going to be our objects for today, and I'm going to use those to act out my story problem. So, the first part of the story said there were 7 cars driving on the road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What happened next in my story? You remembered 2 cars went to park. So I'm going to take these 2 cars off of the road. How many cars are left? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cars left. All right, friends, the second part of our learning target said that we would represent with pictures. So I'm going to come over here, and if you guys have a piece of paper or a marker board or something that you can write on at your house, you can do this with me. 7 cars were driving on the road. Now, I don't want to draw out 7 cars because that would take too long. So all of my pictures today are going to be circles to represent the story. So here come my 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 cars left. What can I do to show that 2 of those cars left to go park? I could erase, but I think instead I'm going to put an X on the 2 cars that left to represent that. All right, friends, how many cars are left? How many are still driving on the road? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we represented with our objects and solved. We represented and solved with a picture. Now, can you all help me write a number sentence to match my picture? Let's think about that story one more time. There were 7 cars driving on the road. So I'm going to write my number 7. 2 cars left to go park. Do I need to put a plus sign or a minus sign? I'm going to put a minus sign because 2 of those cars left. So minus 2, and you all told me that 7 minus 2 equals 5. We have shown that problem in all 3 ways: objects, drawings, and an equation. Let's do another one together. Let's see what our next problem says. Our next problem says, I have 2 large dolls and 6 small dolls. How many dolls do I have in all? Well, I need to take away my cars for now and get out some dolls. Here are my 2 large dolls. And thank you to my little friend Addie who let me borrow some of her toys to play with today. And now I'm going to get out 6 small dolls. Can you count as I lay them down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dolls do I have in all? And I highlighted the words in all because that's a clue for how we're going to solve. We want to know what this part plus this part is. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dolls that I can play with today. Okay, it's time to draw our picture. I have 2 large dolls. Remember, I'm just going to use circles. and 6 small dolls. I'm going to leave a space between my 2 groups. So here's my 6 small dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to count and see how many dolls I have all together. And friends, when I'm counting a drawing or I'm counting something on a piece of paper, I like to touch it as I count so that I don't lose my place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dolls all together. Let's write our equation. I'm going to write a 2 to represent my 2 large dolls. Now we said that we were joining 2 groups, so I'm going to put my plus sign and write a 6 to represent my 6 small dolls. And you guys helped me count, and we know that 2 plus 6 equals 8. That's great! You're doing a fabulous job so far. Let's see what we're going to play with next. My tower has 9 Legos. My sister took 4 Legos off my tower. How many Legos are still in my tower? This time the words are and still are highlighted to help us know what kind of action we're going to do. Are we going to add or subtract? Let me get my tower. My story said my tower has 9 Legos, so let's count and make sure there are 9 Legos in my tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What happened next in my math story? My sister takes 4 of my Legos. All right, so what should I do? I'm going to have to take 4 Legos off. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Legos are still in my tower? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 take away 4 must equal 5. Let's represent with a picture. All right, I have 9 Legos in my tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what happened? My sister took 4. So do I need to draw 4 more or put an X on 4? You're right, it's subtraction. So I'm going to put an X on 4 to show those 4 have gone away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Legos are still in my tower? You might be able to look and just know right away how many there are left. But let's count just to be sure. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Legos left in my tower. All right, for our number sentence, we're going to start with how many Legos were in my tower at the beginning. There were 9. And then my sister took 4. So I'm going to use that minus sign because 4 went away. And you all counted and told me that there are 5 Legos left. Great job. All right, we're going to use one more type of toy to do a math problem. Let's look at our last question together. I put 4 fruits in my grocery cart. Then I put 4 vegetables in my grocery cart. How many total fruits and vegetables are in my cart? This time the word total is highlighted as our clue word. All right, friends, I have some play food here with me today. You could also use real food in your kitchen to add and subtract. That would be fun too. All right, I put 4 fruits in my grocery cart. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put 4 vegetables in my grocery cart. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many total fruits and vegetables are in my cart? Let's see if you guys can answer this one on your own, and then we'll check it together. 4 fruits plus 4 vegetables. Did you say 8? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. That's another one of our doubles facts. All right, let's represent with a picture. Okay, I think you guys are getting the routine by now. We need to draw what I put in first. I put 4 fruits in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I put 4 vegetables. I'm going to leave a space to show my 2 different groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I need to do? That's right, I need to count my 2 parts and put them together to see what my whole is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 fruits and vegetables in my grocery cart. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Great job with that equation. I hope you all have had fun playing with my toys. I'm going to show you something else you can use to add and subtract at home. So let me just move my fruits and vegetables. Sometimes I like to use a snack to help me add and subtract. You might have had grown-ups tell you that you shouldn't play with your food, and most of the time you shouldn't, but I'll tell you a little secret. If you're using your food to do math, it might be okay to play with it just a little bit. So in my bag, I have some crackers. Here's a bonus math question. What shape is this cracker? I see that it has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Did you say that this cracker is a square? You're right, I knew you would get it. All right, well, let's look at our first story about my crackers. I have 3 crackers, and my mom gave me 3 more crackers. How many crackers do I have all together? Our clue words this time are all together. Okay, let's act it out. I have 3 crackers. 1, 2, 3. My mom gives me 3 more crackers. 1, 2, 3. How many crackers do I have all together? This time I'm going to give you all a minute of private think time, and I want to see if you can represent and solve with a picture and an equation before I do. All right, I'm going to work on it on my board, but I'm not going to show you yet. You work on it on your board, and then we'll check our answers. I'm going to say that number story again. I have 3 crackers. My mom gave me 3 more crackers. How many crackers do I have all together? All right, boys and girls, did you represent by drawing circles? I drew my 3 crackers that I had, and then I drew my 3 more crackers that my mom gave me. And I wrote my equation. 3 plus 3 equals 6. If you did that also, show me a thumbs up. All right, I am so proud of you guys. We're going to do one more together. This time, I still have 6 crackers, but I eat one of them. How many crackers are left? Okay, let's look at my 6 crackers on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What happened next? You got it. I eat one of them. So I'm going to take one away. How many crackers are left? Again, you might be able to look at that and just tell me in a snap using a mental image, but it's important for you to show your teacher what you're thinking. So go ahead and take your paper or your board, and I want you to draw a picture and then write an equation to represent my problem. I'll read it again for you. I have 6 crackers. I eat one of them. How many crackers are left? All right, hold up your paper or your board when you're ready. Boys and girls, does your picture look something like this? I drew my 6 crackers, and I drew an X to show that I ate one of those crackers. And then I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to solve and figure out that I have 5 crackers left. 6 take away 1 equals 5. All right, boys and girls, you have worked so hard helping me today. I think you guys deserve a roller coaster cheer before we look back at our learning target. So if you've ever ridden a roller coaster, you know that you go up a hill and then you slide down the hill. And it makes a little noise like this. Ch, 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 ch. Woo! 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 I always scream when I'm going down those hills. All right, friends, you can try that cheer on your own. Let's look back at our learning target and see if we met our learning target today. Our learning target said, I can represent and solve addition and subtraction story problems using objects, drawings, mental images, or equations. Okay, boys and girls, did we use objects today? We did. We used all of these toys today. So if you used objects at your house or you watched me use objects, show me one thumbs up. Boys and girls, did we draw pictures to represent our story problems today? I know you did, so this time, double thumbs up. And boys and girls, did sometimes you use mental images in your brain to solve the problems? Like you just looked at the drawing and knew the answer right away? Or you could visualize it in your mind? If you did that, I want you to wave to me. And last, did we write equations to solve our problems? Yes, you did. This time you can pat your head if you solved equations. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see how you figure out how to do math at home.
Everybody, welcome to Brain Breaks with Coach Wood. Today we're going to be doing an awesome dinosaur workout. So to start off, what we're going to be a T-Rex. So go up just like this. Make a T-Rex noise however you want to do it. I'm not going to lie, I don't think I can make a T-Rex noise. So I'm not even going to try because you know what? It's not going to sound good. It's probably going to sound like meow. I'm not even going to try it. That's a cat. Moo. That's a cow. And probably a cheetah right there. Who knows? Keep going, we're a T-Rex. And you're probably looking at my shirt thinking, what are you wearing? Why are you wearing that shirt? I don't know, don't worry about it. Let me be me, all right? Just throwing on some shirts. This is my tourist shirt. If I'm a tourist somewhere, this is what I'm gonna wear. Everyone stop. We're a human now, and we're running from the T-Rex. There's the T-Rex, ready, go. Run, 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 run. Hurry up. It's gonna grab us with its short little arms. Hurry up, run, 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 run. Go, ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh. All right, next, we're a pterodactyl. Here we go. Bring those arms out. We're call. I assume that's what a pterodactyl sounds like. There we go. And fun fact, pterodactyl, you would think it starts with the letter what? Say it out loud. Pterodactyl. The letter T. No, ladies and gentlemen, It starts with a P. Mind blown. All right, keep going. You're a pterodactyl. You're flying over. All right, and stop. Oh my goodness, you're a human now. Run for the pterodactyl, go. Woo! Oh my goodness, there we go. Oh, I can only run for so long. That's gonna come down, swoop down and get me. Go, 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 don't give up. Look back. Oh, don't look back. Don't look back, keep running. Eyes forward, keep going. And we got all the way. Oh, goodness. Whew. Okay, next, we're gonna go on the ground. We're gonna become a stegosaurus right here. So what you're gonna do, arms under your shoulders, and what you're gonna do is one leg goes up, the opposite arm goes out, just like this. I'm a stegosaurus, I'm walking, and I am trying to find you. All right, keep going. All right, we outran the T-Rex. We outran the pterodactyl, and now we're gonna outrun the stegosaurus. Just a few more seconds here. Keep going, really stretch out when you go. And ready, set, everyone get up and run. Oh, here comes the stegosaurus, you gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Oh, don't look back. I told you don't look back. I know, come on, keep going. Breathe. When you're running, you gotta breathe. If you're not breathing, it's not gonna be good. Keep going. Eyes on the prize. What's the prize? I don't know, we're gonna jump into a boat, get off this crazy island. Ready, 3, 2, 1, jump. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you rock. Oh, I'll see you later. Peace.